Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group Certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number E1537P. 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, keeping the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Stone glow seating allows the second and third row to fall flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Windows do go down in the sliding door, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo, or room for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can, of course, fold them in any combination. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. When they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, which in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Keys for things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Lots of cargo space in the center console, as well as a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead liftgate and sliding door control, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6 liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.